Well, best of 19. And the man of the hour, Inamul Haq Jr., who bowled 26 overs, 9 maidens, 55 runs and didn't get a wicket in the first innings. Take a look at him now. It's unstoppable. 5 wickets for 39. And he's threatening to get a lot more. But this one gets away for runs. Will definitely be a couple in there for Hondo.
I did say in that first innings when Inamul Haq was bowling, he turned a couple, said that he would probably be the danger man. There's that wicket. Can't actually tell from there whether it hit his bat or not. That is with pad. Can't tell from the side angle. From this angle,
he's bowling. I thought he got the inside edge. Dharamkala's gone. One more wicket for Bangladesh. Look at that. Look at the celebrations. They've already begun. As they should. It's 145 for 9 and Kala making the long walk back home.
well, he played for a long time for just 2 runs. Scored a few and was sort of getting going again. Very hard to get going. Tried to play a pull shot. Ill-advised on this wicket. Does not get up. It might not have been short enough anyway. Muliginkala is gone for the ball and it's just nicked the top of the bail. The slips didn't know what had happened, but when they looked at the wicket it was broken, so Nkala has to go. It's 145 for 9.
Mashrafi is really fired up. He's got 2 wickets. There seems to be some sort of a problem with him. Chris Mpofu, the new batsman in.
I think it's a premature happiness. He seems to be crying tears of joy. Here he goes.
Do they have that man? No, they don't. It's gone through. It did take the shoulder of the bat and it's run away for 4. Well, you may be right. The excitement may be getting to him. But he's really getting the ball to talk now, Mashrafi. It's the inevitability of the situation. But take a look at that. Just clipping the bail on its way to the keeper. I thought he'd been caught behind for a moment.
I thought he had pulled it. The sound we got from our stump mic just sounded as if he had hit the ball. He totally missed it. And it just clipped the bail before going through to the keeper. Mashrafi Mortaza is looking to end it right now. Look at him, looking to the heavens.
Well, there's something the matter with the umpire. He's coming down the track, maybe to caution the batsman, but I think it's way beyond that now. Running onto the stumps. They're all waiting for the moment. 3 slips and a gully. There's a very short mid-wicket. The air of expectation. Just feel it. Oh, almost. So close. That must have shaved a coat of varnish off the off stump. Well, I've suddenly been joined by Athar Ali Khan, a beaming Athar Ali Khan in place of Pamyam Bangwa.
Oh, nearly carried over to the forward short leg. Just a matter of time when the situation will arise, when this stadium will go roar just like a huge, big tiger.
Stay down low, short leg. Big inside edge onto that. Very excited. These youngsters realize what an important match this is, what an important event in the history of cricket for Bangladesh. And rightly so, they're enjoying each and every one. Out in the middle, slashed hard. Racing away to the fence. picked the delivery, just a little bit of width. Also brings up the 150.
Not for your bat, man.
Douglas Hunter wanted to make sure if you want to slash it. I just went through the fielder at Gully Mashrafi Murtaza. Just came on a little bit too quick.
Oh, oohs and ahs. Every delivery
You can't hit outside 30 years.
they believe could be the end of the match.
Not easy, look.
And why not? It could be the way in which the left arm spinner has bowled Inam ul Haq.
Hey!
63 overs gone. It's 153 for 9. It'll be a great occasion. First match, test match for Bangladesh versus India at Dhaka in November 2000. It's taking them 4 years. That is gone. That's history. He is gone. The 35th test match, Bangladesh have registered their first ever victory in test match cricket. And a big moment for everybody out there in the middle. The captain celebrating, and a great job, well done.
Bangladesh have finally done it. What a great moment in the chapter of Bangladesh cricket. They have rewritten history. Here they come in M.A. Aziz Stadium with their thoughts on winning the first ever test match, and they have done it, and they have done it in great style. Inam ul Haq Jr. has picked up the last wicket to fall, and he's finished it with 6 for 45. What a moment. Congratulations all over. Must be a happy sight. They waited for 4 years and they have done it. First test win ever for Bangladesh, and it has come in Chittagong M.A. Aziz Stadium.
This is the moment they'll remember for a long time. Bangladesh have finally registered their first ever victory, and we all here hope it's the first of many more to come.
Look at the huddle, look at the joy, and why not? And if anyone watching it, must be a very happy man. What an excellent turnaround, what an excellent test match for the Bangladeshis. It is an absolutely feeling at the top when you win this test match. And you're lucky enough to watch it live on ESPN Star Sports. What a great moment. Just look at them.
Well, they'll party into the night. They deserve the success. The fans even more. They've been supporting their team for a long time. They enjoy the cricket. They're very emotional about the game. And this is a fantastic sight.
What a sight. The flag in his hand. Captain Habibul Bashar leading from the front. And every one of them enjoying that victory lap. Look at that. What a nice feeling. An absolutely emotional one. Worked very hard and they paid the dividend. Mind you, they've won the test match in the 35th test match. They've done better than the New Zealanders, who won their first test match in its 45th game.
2005 has arrived, and so have Bangladesh. Started the year in a sensational manner, and all the dancing that we've seen from the Zimbabwean bowlers now being matched by the Bangladeshi cricketers out in the middle.
And just look at them, they're diving around. And they are also such a young team. We've talking about Zimbabwe being a very young side. And if you look at the Bangladesh, they're very young, very enthusiastic, and they love it. They're enjoying it, they're diving around, some cartwheels around. Look at the faces. Here you go, Mohammad Ashraful. No water around, but he dives around.
A bit of relief for the administrators as well. Bangladesh probably will have a national holiday tomorrow to celebrate this victory, the greatest ever day in the history of cricket.
The president of Bangladesh Cricket Board is still there, giving hugs.
Zimbabwe not coming to terms with the bowling, the varied bowling